Hello people, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to talk about Articleship Registration. This is a more elaborated video in that I'll be addressing to all the common questions which comes to our mind while doing the Articleship Registration. So basically there are few steps in order to complete your articleship. So step one should be upload your OC and IT certificate on the portal and get the department approval on it. So पहले अपलोड कर लो और उसके बाद मिनिमम 24 आवर्स तो मैक्सिमम 7 डेज उसके अंदर आपको अप्रूवल मिल जाएगा डिपार्टमेंट का एंड उसके बाद यू आर रेडी टू मूव टू द फॉर्म 102. उसके लिए आपको एसएसपी पोर्टल पे आर्टिकलशिप साइकिल में जाकर यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द फॉर्म 102 एंड वहाँ पर आपको मेंबरशिप नंबर, नेम ऑफ द गार्जियन एंड डेट ऑफ द आर्टिकलशिप वहाँ पर डालनी होगी एंड गेट डिटेल्स करेंगे तो मेंबरशिप योर प्रिंसिपल का डिटेल विल कम एंड या यू कैन सबमिट दैट. And moving forward, you will be asked that you are doing you are doing business or any kind of profession, as well as they will ask that are you engaged in another professional or academic courses. So you have to, if you are doing colleges, then you have to click yes or no accordingly. So if you are doing any kind of colleges or courses, graduation, so you have to fill the form 1012 and yeah. So moving forward, after filling your 102 and if you are there to fill the form 1112, then fill it that also, and then is the last one, that is form 103. Form 103 is nothing but all the stuff and information which you can fill on the portal itself. It's very easy and it's a document of summary of all the information, your member principal detail, your detail and date of commencement and all everything. And yeah, that is form 103. And in the last you have to take the stamp. So you can take the stamp of 300 rupees. So within the 30 days of starting the articleship, the issue of the date on the stamp should be should lie within 30 days of date of commencement of the articleship, and all these procedures should be completed within the 30 days itself. And yeah, with this you complete all the 4 procedures: OCIT certificates, Form 102, 1.12 if applicable, and 103. Now you have to, after uploading all this thing, you will get the RO approval on the Form 1112 as well, and on the Form 103 as well. You can only file 103 only after getting the approval of your principal on the articleship registration. So after getting approval from the principal, you can file the 103. Now talking about Form 1112, it is a form if you are doing a college or a graduation, whether it be regular, corresponding, or an online course. So you have to fill the Form 1112 with the ICAI on the SSP portal itself, and in that you have to take your principal signature, stamp and seal of the college, and your principal signature as well. And the main thing in that your college timing and office timing should not clash. So let's take an example. If your regular college ends at 10:55, so and your office starts after 11, so it's a perfect match as it's your college and office timing is not clashing, and you have a 5 minute gap between that. ICI won't check that are you able to reach your office within 5 minutes from your college distance. ICI wants that your college and articleship timing should not clash. That's it. It won't check that you're eligible, you are able to reach your college in the given gap or not. So yeah, that was the clarification which I have taken from the ICAI itself. So yeah, this was form 1112, and in the last you have to file all the forms and your stamp paper in a file. So you have to keep your form 102, 1112 and 103 along with the stamp in a file so it can be helped in future reference. 103 with the stamp of the employer and the form uh, with the date along with the signature of all other employees in the form. So yeah, that was the procedure. At the end, you have to do this. You have to do this documentation. With this, I hope you like this video and it was helpful to you. For more such content, subscribe to this channel and I'll be uploading more such relevant content on this channel. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.